Alright, started day 2. We are leaving the house, headed to the track. Show you guys up here real quick. First fill up of the trip. 0.1 mile from his house.
Minimum 51% ethanol.
Minimum 51%?
Minimum, yeah, that's...
Oh my God, why even call it E85? It's a E51. Hey, and at least it's expensive.
Yeah.
Alright, back rolling. Justin fixed the fan with some belly wire. Dude, I'm telling you, belly wire, man, is where it's at. Works.
Ford LTD wagon, custom intake here, drops 10 degrees air temp.
Yeah.
Precision 86 with a mild built 5.3.
My view right here for the week. How's it feel?
Oh man, I'm excited.
Now we got through that. That's like the main thing. Whew. Did they even look at your stems on your drag radials?
Nope.
There you go. That's what we're saying. Yeah, they're like, okay, radials, yep, cool, all right.
They're like, okay, slow car, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, they don't care. Tom Gilton's car. Oh yeah.
Yeah, boys.
Bugle Boy Ginger Wing! Say hi!
Hi.
Y'all, we got to park down in the burnout pit at the Freedom Factory. Like, how crazy is that?
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so we're in Justin's garage here. We gotta put in the kill switch. So he's fixing to drill a hole in this.
Perfect. Didn't even scratch the paint.
Come on.